Arc Raiders error code 6001 means game access denied. If you're seeing this in late 2025, it's because Sony shut down Arc Raiders servers on June 1st, 2023. This isn't a temporary glitch. The game's online features are permanently disabled. The error occurs because your PlayStation can't connect to the game's servers to verify access, as those servers no longer exist. Downloading or trying to play the game won't work, as the core issue is the game's back-end infrastructure being decommissioned by Sony, making the game inaccessible. This error is a standard PSN message for connectivity or access issues, specifically indicating a server-side authentication failure. Unfortunately, there's no fix for error code 6001 in Arc Raiders. Unlike other PSN errors, this isn't a problem you can solve by resetting your network or checking your account. The error is a direct result of Sony's decision to end support for the game. Arc Raiders' situation reflects a broader trend of game shutdowns for underperforming titles, especially in the free-to-play and live service space. As of late 2025, Sony isn't offering retroactive support or revival for Arc Raiders, as the focus is on new titles. While advancements in cloud gaming might theoretically allow revivals in the future, no interest has been shown for Arc Raiders. The industry is shifting towards sunsetting games, making it important for developers to focus on long-term viability and consider player access even after official support ends.